Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to our channel where today we are diving into the world of automotive innovation with the new MG MG3 facelift version. So buckle up because we are about to take you on a journey through its sleek design, advanced hybrid powertrain and cutting edge technology. Let's start with the exterior. The MG MG3 facelift has undergone a stunning transformation, boasting a sharper look that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. From its sleek lines to its bold grille and stylish accent, every detail has been meticulously crafted to exude confidence and style on the road. But wait, the real magic lies under the hood. This beauty is not just about the looks, but it's also got some performance too. Powering the MG MG3 facelift is a sophisticated hybrid powertrain combining a responsive 1.5-liter petrol engine with a potent electric motor. Together, they deliver a combined output of 192 horsepower, giving you the perfect blend of power and fuel efficiency for an exhilarating driving experience. Now let's step inside and you will be greeted by the next generation cockpit that's as intuitive as it is futuristic. The fully digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, while the expansive 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen puts the world at your just away of fingertips. Stay connected and stay entertained and informed on the go with seamless smartphone integration and advanced navigation features, all standard on the new MG MG3 facelift. Whether you are zipping through city streets or embarking on a weekend getaway, the new MG MG3 facelift is your perfect companion for every journey. With its dynamic performance, refined interior and advanced technology, it's designed to elevate your driving experience to the whole new level and heights. And that wraps up our overview of the new MG MG3 facelift. If you are as excited about this innovation model as we are, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more car-related updates and reviews and for automotive adventures. Thanks for joining us today, and we will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.